Hi, everybody. This is Andrew with AGI Farmobile, and I'm here today to teach you about a great product feature we have, which allows you to subsection a portion of your field and look at the data kind of a little bit more spatially confined. So this tool is called the EFR, or Electronic Field Record Zone Drawing Tool. And so we can dive right into it. You can see right now, I'm on the field view under a specific field, and I'm looking at the different EFR cards. So you can see all of our different EFRs here. And we're looking at a harvest map right now. So got this guy turned on, and you can see that against the kind of against the grain of where we're running, we can see some strips of lower yield. So this is a bit lower overall yield for this field. It's 107 bushels per acre. For the entire field on average, but we can see we got some lower yield in there in these strips. So let's see what's going on. So in order to activate this feature, you're going to come up here and you're going to click on this rectangle with the dashes in it. So now the feature's active, and we're going to click 5 times. So in this one, I'm going to build a rectangle. You can do other polygons, but let's start. So 1, 2, and you can see it's kind of tracing here. 3, and then on our last one, we're going to double click. So that completes the rectangle. And then all I have to do is click done. So now what we're going to see, just kind of beginning this analysis, kind of back of the envelope calculations, we can see we're at about 80 bushels per acre in that strip versus the 107. So we're down about 27 bushels per acre in that subsection of the field. You can come in here, you can export that. I'm not going to do that with this layer because it takes a minute, but you can start to see, okay, well, I got some lower yields here. So to take this a slight step further, then we can start to go back in time. So what could have been the issues here? Could it have been our spraying? Maybe we didn't apply a herbicide there. No, we had straight rate. No, that's not the issue. Let's keep going down this path. Let's look all the way back to planting. So we turn this on. Oh, that's a bit interesting. If we go back here, we see that we had some lower planting rates here and also down here. If we quickly scroll back up to the harvest layer, you can see there may even be a little bit of correlation between our seeding rate. So what we might want to do here is come in and use the drawing tool again and draw around that same general area of where we got lower harvest rates. And you can see done there. It's thinking. Again, there's this export PDF feature, which I've already done for this planting layer, just to save us a bit of time. And here you can see that our average planting population for the entire field is 27,000 seeds per acre, while this section of the field, we only did 23,000 seeds per acre. So this is all just a primer to get you started to think about, okay, how can I manage different sections of my field differently in order to achieve higher yields? What are different layers from spraying, from planting, from tillage? What are the different field passes that I'm conducting and how they might contribute to overall yield? And maybe provide some justification for increasing seeding rates, changing your spray application rates, a lot of different ways to think through this. But hopefully this provided some good information on how to use the EFR zone drawing tool. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at AGI Farmobile. Thanks for your time.